Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A5 window regulator. This guide will help you safely remove the door panel, access the window mechanism, and replace the faulty regulator. We'll cover disconnecting the motor and installing the new assembly, ensuring your power window works smoothly again. This DIY repair can save you time and money, addressing common issues like stuck or slow windows. First, you'll need to remove the door panel. Begin by prying off the decorative trim, starting from the back edge and working forward. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips. Next, locate and remove the 3 Torx T25 screws. Typically, one is behind the trim and 2 are near the armrest. Once the screws are out, carefully unclip the door card from the bottom and sides, then lift it upwards to disengage it. Finally, disconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable. With the door panel off, you'll need to remove the window glass. Lower the window until you can see the 2 T30 bolts that secure the glass to the regulator. Loosen one bolt and completely remove the other. Now, carefully lift the window glass straight up and out of the door, placing it somewhere safe to prevent damage. Next, locate the 4 13mm bolts holding the window regulator in place. Remove these bolts, and then carefully wiggle the old regulator out through the large opening in the door. Now install your new window regulator, securing it with the 4 13mm bolts. Reinsert the window glass, ensuring it sits properly in its channels, then tighten the 2 T30 bolts. Before fully reassembling, reconnect the window motor and test the window's operation. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Finally, reconnect all electrical harnesses, the door handle cable, and carefully reattach the door panel, ensuring all clips engage and screws are tightened. You may need to perform a window relearn procedure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.